Hello, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to try and help answer that question. Which aftermarket MillTek exhaust should I go with, or should I go with any exhaust? We're going to listen to them all, then you can decide. Cue the intro. So this is where the questions arise. I want something a little more throaty. I want it to be more rumbly. I want to feel the car. Then you're going to want to get into the MillTek exhaust system. It comes in two ways. Basically, cat back, and there's a little muffler in the back. We'll bring it in, but there's a little muffler there, and you can see the install video that we have. And then there is a mid-muffler section that you can put in the car to help quiet it down. I drove this for about a week without the mid-muffler, and that's all I had. Eric absolutely loved it without the mid-muffler, made him smile every time it started, and when he would take off, again, joy everywhere. So if you are looking for that like race car loud exhaust, the mid-muffler, just save your money, don't even buy it. If you're looking for an exhaust that's going to give you a little bit more rumble, some feel to it, but still quiet enough that you can have a conversation in the car, then get the mid-muffler. So let's start it up. We're going to use some of the clips from the other videos, but we're going to listen to all three. We'll start off with stock, then we will go to the one I have right here with the mid-muffler, and then finally we'll listen to it with the mid-muffler gone, basically cat back. All right, let's see what we got. Well, there you have it. That's all three of them. I don't know which one's best for you, but my personal favorite is the one I'm currently running, the MillTek stainless steel exhaust with the center muffler. That was in standard mode when we revved it, so if you want a little more juice out of it, put it in dynamic. All right, guys, hope that answers all the questions. See you on the next one.